Yo artists and art lovers,
Grab your pencils, charge your tablets. Video is gonna level up your drawing game big time. Not only am I drawing the super cool, super stylish Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunters, yes, the movie I'm totally obsessed with, but I'm also spilling some juicy drawing hacks that will make you say, wait, drawing can be that easy. So if you've ever struggled with sketching or blending colors like a pro, I got you. Stay with me and I'll show you how to draw smart, shade better, and make your colors pop like K-pop. Ready? Let's jump in. Let's start with some tricks that I personally use and that you can try too. Trick 1. Use drawing apps that offer shadow tracing features. You can import a picture of the character and then trace the shadow or outline. This helps a lot with accuracy and proportions. Trick 2. Go into a dark room, turn off all the lights, and just turn your phone brightness all the way up. Now place your drawing paper on top of the screen and place the character reference image below. You'll be able to see the outline through the paper, and it becomes super easy to trace and start your drawing. Both these tricks are super helpful, especially if you're still learning or just want cleaner results quickly. Now let's talk about coloring, because it's not just about filling in colors, it's about bringing the character to life. Use color mixing to create smooth transitions. Try shading from light to dark to give the drawing a 3D effect. And always blend the edges between two colors to avoid harsh lines. This gives your drawing a professional finish. These are the same tricks I used in this video, so if you follow them, you'll definitely improve your drawing and coloring game. If you try drawing Zoey using these tips, or even color the same character from this video, let me know in the comments. Type I drew Zoey and tell me how it went. I love seeing your progress and creations. By the way, if you've watched K-pop Demon Hunters, then you probably already know why I chose Zoey. This movie is just so fun, stylish, and full of energy. I absolutely love the character designs, the story, and the K-pop twist with action. It's so unique. I'm seriously obsessed with this movie. What about you? Let me know in the comments if you're also a fan of K-pop Demon Hunters, and who your favorite characters. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drawing tips and art content. Until next time, stay creative, keep drawing, and be awesome. Bye bye.